Tiffany, and welcome back to another YouTube Studio dashboard tutorial. Today, I would like to talk a little bit more about title and thumbnail. But today, what we are going to talk about is using the dashboard to help inspire and drive your next title and thumbnail. So with that, there are a couple of different ways that we can utilize the dashboard. Now, you'll often hear people talking about utilizing the dashboard or studio to find your title and your thumbnail based on trending topics. So there are a couple of ways that we can get to that. Now, we could just first go to inspiration, and you saw from the dashboard, I went to content. But what we're going to do is we're going to create our title based on a trend. And if you guys know anything about me yet, and you're still getting to know me, I like to kind of test theories, not all theories, I am not the person that necessarily has to jump off of a roof. I feel like if I did, I would definitely break a bone. I'll take somebody else's word for that or their lived experience. But with the algorithm and growing a YouTube channel, there are certain things that I have to do to increase my own knowledge base. And hopefully you are one of those people too. So we here title and thumbnail and working with the algorithm so that we can reach our audience. So we're going to do trends, and to find a trend of a title and a thumbnail, I'm going to go to analytics. So over here in analytics, now you'll see we have trends. So I'm going to go ahead and click on trends. And in trends, we see get ideas for your next video. Also, you're going to see some videos that kind of based on your current niche or the things that you are currently viewing on YouTube, something that might inspire you. But you're also going to see what people are looking for, so trending topics. So let's go ahead and hit show all. So some of the things right now that people, based on my analytics, are looking for is how to make your own YouTube channel, social media management packages, pardon, new YouTube channel analytics, and so forth. One of them that pops out to me and might be popping out to you because I've been seeing it a lot is YouTube is actually helping anybody get paid easy. Let's explore this topic. YouTube is actually helping anybody get paid easy. And lo and behold, when we click on there, who do we see? Dante London. But what we want to pay attention to is the views. Okay, so it's going to show us the most popular videos. And these are the top searches for the topic. Okay, so high volume, how to earn money through YouTube. Low volume, earn money through YouTube videos. So that means this is probably a title that you want to avoid. And then how does getting paid on YouTube work? Okay, so that's medium volume. That's going to put you in the mid range. We are striving to go for a high volume title. So looking at what people are watching, let's explore the titles. YouTube is actually helping anybody get paid easy. Okay, YouTube is now on easy mode. Anyone can blow up in 2025. How to get paid on YouTube. 4 things you need. Okay. Now, if you're anything like me, the one thing that you notice about all of these titles is they all contain the word YouTube. Okay. YouTube is the operative word. So you'll hear people talk about search engine optimization. search engine optimization. And I know I'd be like, what is search engine optimization? And I hear it all the time in my daily life at work, search engine optimization. Okay, so the way that I kind of think of it is you want to use a certain word. So the word here is YouTube because that is a word that people are often searching. Okay, YouTube. So that's the operative word in the search. The engine is the algorithm, but also it's the audience. So, what is driving the algorithm? The audience which is driving the algorithm, that word is YouTube and optimization. So, in order for us to optimize our videos and get our titles a further reach, we have to use the word YouTube. So in my next video, you will see that in the title, I am going to use the word YouTube. I'm not just showing you how to do this, but I'm also going to test the theory with it. I'm going to test the title that I find here, but I'm also going to test the title based on a trending topic that YouTubers are saying, hey, this title works. So stay along for this journey. I think it's going to be fun. So we know kind of where I'm inspired with the next title, okay? But another thing that we can do is brainstorm ideas. And in here, and the reason why you want to go to brainstorm ideas is because this is going to also show you thumbnails and give you ideas for a thumbnail that is also going to help to increase the search engine optimization of your title. So, different ideas that it's giving us is the secret to YouTube monetization, 200 subscribers. So, in my case, yay, we would be saying 300 subscribers. Or monetize your YouTube channel in 3 easy steps. Or how I got paid from my YouTube comments. That's totally being driven from my analytics and my YouTube journey from 0 to 100 honest. So let's explore. Let's just go to this one. The secret to YouTube monetization, 200 subscribers. The common misconception about YouTube monetization is debunked. If we go here and hit show more, it is going to just kind of help us break down that topic. You can also copy it so that you can put it on a Word document and you can print it out. And it's going to give you even more ideas there in your outline. Or we can go down to titles. It is going to give you titles. You can hit show more. So it's going to give you even more titles. If you'd like to brainstorm one of those titles, you can click there, hit create titles. And now it's going to just go through and create and update the titles so that you can use that really cool and quickly to update. And then the other thing is thumbnails. It's also going to give you some ideas of thumbnails that are going to help you to increase the search engine optimization of those titles. So, like I said, guys, with my next video, I am using the trends and using the YouTube Dashboard Studio title and thumbnail as a little test to see if this theory does truly work. And then there's another one that I am additionally going to test. It is a title. I don't know what the thumbnail is going to be yet. I'm going to explore in this same way offline so that you guys can't see, so that I don't ruin the surprise. But I'm going to explore a thumbnail for the title that I already know is a trending title, and a lot of people, popular new upcoming channel creators, have used that in order to just kind of show that utilizing a trending title will work. So I am going to test the theory in both ways. I hope that you guys will come along for the journey. So if you do not have your notifications on, turn them on. If you are not subscribed, there is no better time to subscribe than now. And most importantly, like this video and leave a comment. My name is Tiffany. We are going to see a little bit more of my take. Be blessed, have a blessed day, and most importantly, do what you can to bless someone else's day. Thanks for stopping by.